Every morning when the sun begins to peek through the curtains, John starts his day with a simple yet satisfying breakfast, a boiled white egg. It has become a cherished routine, like a comforting ritual that kick-starts his day on the right note. As he carefully places the egg into the boiling water, memories flood back to his childhood. He recalls his mother standing over the stove, expertly preparing eggs for the family. Her nurturing touch made the eggs taste even more special. Now, as he prepares his own breakfast, he can't help but feel a sense of nostalgia. But it's not just the sentimental value that makes boiled white eggs a breakfast staple for John. He knows that they are an excellent source of nutrition. These humble little spheres pack a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. When John pops open the shell, revealing the perfectly cooked white, he knows he's getting a good dose of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues in the body, so starting the day off with a protein-rich meal is a wise choice. It keeps him feeling fuller for longer, helping to stave off any mid-morning hunger pangs. Protein isn't the only benefit he gets from his egg, it also contains essential vitamins and minerals. The white of the egg is chock full of vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. This vitamin plays a crucial role in energizing the body by helping convert food into fuel, keeping John feeling alert and ready to tackle the day ahead. And let's not forget about the egg's vitamin B12 content. This vitamin is important for maintaining healthy nerves and red blood cells, ensuring that oxygen is efficiently transported through the body. It also contributes to brain function and overall mood, making it a vital part of one's morning routine. John is also aware that boiled white eggs can support his weight management goals. They are low in calories and fat, making them an excellent choice for those wanting to watch their waistline. He knows he can indulge in a nutritious breakfast without worrying about unnecessary calories. However, it's important to note that the yolk of the egg contains most of the fat and cholesterol. By opting for just the boiled white, John avoids these potential drawbacks while still reaping the benefits of the egg's nutritional value. Aside from their nutritional benefits, boiled white eggs offer convenience and versatility. John appreciates that he can prepare them in advance, making them a convenient grab-and-go breakfast option for busy days. He can take them to work or enjoy them on a leisurely morning at home. They are always ready to provide him with a quick and nutritious start to his day. Moreover, boiled white eggs are incredibly versatile. John can enjoy them on their own as a simple snack, or he can incorporate them into various recipes. He often chops them up and adds them to salads or sandwiches, enhancing the flavors and textures. The opportunities are endless, making the boiled white egg a staple ingredient in John's culinary repertoire. As John finishes his last bite, he can't help but feel a sense of satisfaction and contentment. He knows that by choosing to start his day with a boiled white egg, he is nourishing both his body and his soul. It's not just about the taste or the convenience, it's about creating moments of warmth and well-being, one boiled egg at a time.